All right, guys, I want to do a quick review on this Rolflex massager. I was targeted everywhere online for this thing, and I had to get it to see if it was worth the hype. I've had tendonitis and tennis elbow for basically since I was 18, doing lots of disc golf, pickleball, lots of sports, and in here always hurts in the inside and the outside, and I've tried everything, and I got targeted for this. And let me tell you, it is incredible because you can get into certain spots that you can get with your fingers, but you're gonna get tired and you can't get the specific amount of pressure in there. And this thing rolls in there and gets these certain spots that are so tender, but really help relieve the stress on the tendons. So you can use it like this, you can flip it around and use it like this. Now you can use this all over your body. You can use it on your legs and stuff like that. I primarily use it only on the arms. And what's nice is you can, right here, you can adjust how big you need it. And you can get above on the bicep and really get in there. And it feels so good. Immediately you can tell that this thing is getting those hard to reach spots. Now I will tell you, watch the videos before you use this. I went really hard on the actual problem area, and it definitely inflamed it a little bit. So just watch the video and it will explain how to use this properly. But this is incredible. I wish I would have gotten it before and just incorporated it in my everyday workouts, because it feels so good and you can feel the tension being released in some of these tendons in your arm. And yeah, it just flips around. It's really well made. It's nice that you can open and close it with your hands. You can make it smaller or bigger here and really get into those hard to reach spots. I do this every single day if I'm watching TV or something like that, or just worked out, played pickleball, and I just massage out the arms and it feels incredible. Your body will thank you. But yeah, this thing is awesome. I wish I would have gotten it earlier. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this review helped.